Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So radar is a little more active this morning. We have a few scattered showers down to our south mostly, though we've had an isolated little bit of drizzle, patchy rain moving through parts of Manatee County, especially along University. Nothing heavy. It's on the process of dissipating, but I think it'll be more consistent down to the south where we have a line of showers that'll be moving through areas of Inglewood and Point South, especially into Charlotte County, Rotunda, areas around Punta Gorda, areas around Port Charlotte. You'll see some rainfall over the course of the next hour. Light stuff for the most part, but it will be around. Now, over the next several days, we have a better chance of some rainfall because of this system back to the west that's producing some scattered showers in and around the Louisiana Delta region. That's an area of low pressure. It's kind of riding on a frontal boundary, and it'll be upping our rain chances tomorrow. But for today, we're going to hold it at about 30% at max. This morning, 20% chance of rain through about 9 o'clock this morning. Temperature will be about 82. Humid, mostly inland storms this afternoon, though, as temperatures rise in response to daytime heating. We'll get up to about 84 by around noontime. It'll be a humid morning and afternoon, and we'll have feels-like temperatures at the time of maximum heating at around 3 o'clock when we hit 88 degrees of a feels-like temperature near 95. And if you're wondering what those feels-like temperatures are all about, I've posted on our website, mysuncoast.com, a little article about feels-like temperatures. There's a nice little graph there, too. You can pick out the temperature and the humidity and find what the feels-like is. 30% chance of rainfall at that hour, but they really won't be cooling rains for most of us because that shower chance is going to be mostly inland. And most of those showers will be drifting further and further away from the coast, so the coast should be dry by sunset this evening, and it should be a nice sunset, 82 degrees at that point. Here's our hour-by-hour futurecast. Put it through motion. You can see those scattered showers that I was talking about down mostly around Lee County and Charlotte County. They continue to drift away from the coastline as they move inland, and I think by about 1 o'clock our coastline will be quieting down quite a bit. We'll see those showers perhaps develop into stronger storms over on the other coast as we head into our evening and drive time hours, and our coastline should be pretty quiet. Looks like sunset will be very nice. Might clear out just a little bit. We'll have a mix of fair weather clouds and blue sky, and the setting sun should reflect some nice colors off those clouds that'll be around by 8 p.m. this evening. And we'll look at a few scattered showers out in the Gulf. They tend to dissipate out before ever making it to coast. But tomorrow morning, again, we'll do it again with a few scattered showers that move onshore during these drive time hours in the morning and then kind of move into inland areas in the afternoon. The only difference tomorrow is that an area of low pressure is going to develop on this frontal boundary, which stalls out in North Florida, and that little low pressure area rides right along that front across North Florida and enhances rainfall chances for really everyone along the west coast of Florida, from all the way up to the Big Bend region down to our area even though we're on the very southern edge of it. So higher humidity today, again, mostly inland storms. And then tomorrow, slightly better rain chances for everyone. First along the coastline, then moving inland in the afternoon. Forecast looks like this. West wind comes in at about 10 knots, and it'll be fairly consistent and steady throughout the day today. That west wind will bring us a light chop with 2-foot seas. It'll be a nice day to be out on the water. And my son, who's a fisherman, tells me that this is a good time to go fishing. The water temperatures are still pretty cool, but it's warming up a little bit, so it should be kind of active out there. We're looking at 12:04 low tide, high tide at 4:49. Should be pretty good as we head through the next couple of days. Today, about a 30% chance of rain, a high of about 88. Tomorrow, a few more clouds around, so we'll up the rain chance to about 50% and drop down our temperature a degree or two. Over the next several days, we'll keep that 30% chance of a rain shower, I think, mostly along the coast in the morning and then moving inland in the afternoon. By Sunday, things might change a little bit. Monday, too, I think we'll see those showers building inland drift back to the coastline. So it's sort of a 180-degree turnaround in the direction of the motion of these storms. And so everyone will get a chance of rainfall to cool things off, I think, both on Sunday and Monday. High temperatures remain about average for this time of year at 88.